Hello and welcome to this video about basic English phrases for beginners. If you're new to the English language, these phrases can help you communicate in simple everyday situations. Let's get started. Hello. 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 Hello, used as a greeting when meeting someone. Goodbye. 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 Goodbye, used when parting from someone. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, used to express gratitude or appreciation. Please. 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 Please, used to make a polite request. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me, used to get someone's attention or to apologize for something. How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you, used to ask about someone's well-being. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, used to apologize for something. Yes. 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 Yes, used to indicate agreement or affirmation. No. 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 No, used to indicate disagreement or negation. My name is. My name is. My name is. My name is used to introduce yourself. These are just a few basic phrases, but they can be very helpful in getting started with English. As you become more comfortable with the language, you can begin to learn more complex phrases and expressions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more English learning content.